Hey guys, this is a kind of little series which is basically all credit goes to gradea undera. If you have not seen him, he is a channel that uses Microsoft Paint and creates little cartoon characters, and I'm kinda gonna be trying that out. So all credit goes to him. Right after you watch this video, go watch his. I promise you, he's seriously funny, and that's basically the reason why I'm doing this. But I'm basically trying to mimic that, so go watch gradea undera now. Okay, let's get started with the episode. Okay. Things I find stupid about sleep. Yeah, basically that. Okay. So say you have back pain while sleeping. This is the solution I could find on the internet that people advise you to do. And by the way, I tried this and it did not work. It was so flippin' uncomfortable. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So it said if you have back pain, you put one of these little circles, or like the thing that you put mattresses around, and you put a pillow underneath your legs. I'm actually gonna try this right now and see how it actually feels, because it says right here that this is the best way to solve back pain. Let me try. Okay, so it wasn't as terrible as I thought. But still a bit uncomfortable. But why shit. Well, shit. This fucking shit just proved me wrong. Well, off to the next fact. God damn it, I really should do my research before. Okay, the next fact, okay? It won't be as fucking ridiculous. I did not realize how fucking good that is for your back. The next part, don't worry, it won't be that cringy and terrible. Number 2, shoulder pain. I know you basically can't read this. It's supposed to be shoulder pain, but just yeah. But to fix shoulder pain, listen to this. You are supposed to hold a pillow. Get this, between your hands to fix shoulder pain. Now, I guess I get this, but if you're holding the pillow in your hands, wouldn't you just like throw it out the window? Just like, because I mean, not maybe out the window, maybe like I don't know. Like you could just throw it on the floor, and then it will be a sad, very, very, very sad pillow. And you will have shoulder pain. So, wait. No, I thought I was gonna sneeze there. But, so that is the reason why I think this would never work. I mean, like, your body, like, is not used to holding something in its hand for, like, 8 hours. So, yeah, over to point number 3. Man, why is it always that when you're sleeping, okay, and like there's such an important thing tomorrow. I really have to get some sleep. But then it's like that. Then if you look inside your brain, it's just like, hey man, yeah, I get it that you want to go to sleep, right? Right? You just like really want to go to sleep, right? Well, fuck you, mate. I'm not letting you sleep. Fuck you. Like, just fuck off. I really don't care. Just screw resting. Just fuck off.